everybody, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Now I go to the point of today's topic, that is chapter 2, growth of plants. What is the title of chapter 2? Growth of plants. Now I go to the today's topic. In your previous class, you know that flowers is the most important part of a plant. We get one thing from the flower. Do you know the name of this part? I hope all of you know the name of the part which we get from flowers. I hope the name of this part is known as seed. Okay, I hope all of you see the seed. When you take fruit from your plant or your tree, then you see the seed. Now I go to give the definition of seed. What is seed? Seed is a hard or soft. Say to me, seed is a hard. Okay, it is not soft. Part of a plant. Okay, seed is a hard part of a plant from which a new baby plant can grow. Okay, as like as same. Okay, what is the definition of seed? Now, seed is a hard part of a plant from which a new baby plant can grow, as like as same. Okay, now I go to the types of seed. How many types of seeds are found? There are types. 2. How many types? 2 types of seeds are 2 types of seed are found in our surroundings. How many types, baby? All of you know that there are 2 types of seeds are found in our surroundings. What is the name of first type? The first type's name is edible. What is the name? E-D-I-B-L-E. Edible seed. Okay. And then the other types is non-edible. Non-edible. Okay. What are the example of edible seed? The example of edible seeds are pea, maize, etc. Do you see in your home anytime these types of seed, that is pea seed or maize seed? Why we say this type of seeds are known as edible seed? For why? We say to these which seeds are suitable for eaten by humans and animals are known as edible seed. It is suitable. For what? It is suitable for our eaten. Okay. Suitable for eaten by humans and animals. They are known as edible seed. And also they are suitable for consumption of humans and animals. Okay. Non-edible seeds. What are the definition of non-edible seeds? Non-edible seeds are not fit. What? Non-edible seeds are not fit. Fit for why? Not fit for eaten. Okay. Eaten by human and animals. Okay. But in some birds can eat the non-edible seed in the forest. Okay. Now I go to the give example of non-edible seed which are not suitable for our eating. That is orange seed, apple seed, orange seed and apple seed, okay, etc. They are not suitable for our eating because they are not suitable for our consumption, okay. They are known as non-edible seed. Or edible seeds are suitable for eating, okay. Who eat them? Suitable for eating. Who eat the non-edible seeds? Human and animals, okay. And we also eat the edible seed, that is fish seed, okay. Now I go to the point, that is today we learn or we get the idea of seed. What is the definition of seed? Seed is a small part or hard part, say to me please. But it is not soft part, it is a hard part of a plant from which we get a new baby plant as like as mother plant, okay. From where we get the seed? We get the seed from the important parts of a plant, that is flower. How many types of seeds are found in our surroundings? There are two types of seeds are found in our surroundings. First one is edible, second is non-edible. Edible is suitable for eating by humans and animals. Non-edibles are not fit for eating by animals and humans. But in forest, non-edible seeds are eaten by some birds. Okay. What are the example of edible seed? That is pea and the other is maize, etc. What are the example of non-edible seeds? That is apple seed, orange seed. Okay. I hope all of you get today's discussions. From today's discussion a clear concept. So I hope all of you read the story and read the topic clearly in your home and attentively. See you again in our next class. Thank you.